The automotive world has seen its fair share of remarkable releases, but the 2024 Renault Clio is poised to stand out in a league of its own. This compact car has always been a symbol of European elegance and practicality, and the 2024 iteration takes these qualities to new heights. Let's dive into the specifications, design, pricing, interior, exterior, technology, improvements over its predecessor, top speed, and fuel consumption of the 2024 Renault Clio. Renault has always been known for its chic designs, and the 2024 Clio is no exception. The exterior styling of the Clio has been revamped, resulting in a sleek and modern appearance. Redesigned bumpers, an updated grille, and new lighting elements give the Clio a fresh and contemporary look. The wheels have also been reimagined, providing a touch of sophistication. Inside the cabin, the 2024 Renault Clio has received a well-deserved upgrade. The interior is a harmonious blend of comfort and functionality. The new steering wheel boasts touch-sensitive controls, ensuring that drivers can easily manage various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Updated chrome trim and a range of fresh upholstery choices cater to individual taste and preferences. Renault has truly excelled in creating an interior that combines style and practicality seamlessly. Under the hood, the 2024 Renault Clio offers a range of powertrain options to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base model comes equipped with a peppy four-cylinder engine that delivers efficient performance for daily commuting. For those seeking more power, Renault offers a turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces ample horsepower. The Clio's engine options ensure that there is a suitable choice for every driver. One of the most exciting additions to the 2024 Clio lineup is the introduction of a plug-in hybrid option. This innovative powertrain combines a turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, offering not only increased fuel efficiency, but also a substantial electric driving range. This makes it an excellent choice for city dwellers looking to reduce their carbon footprint during daily commutes. Renault has spared no expense when it comes to integrating cutting-edge technology into the 2024 Clio. The dashboard is dominated by two impressive 12.3-inch infotainment displays, which are seamlessly integrated and easy to use. The MBUX voice recognition system adds a touch of futuristic convenience, allowing drivers to control various functions with simple voice commands. Starting at a competitive price point, the 2024 Renault Clio offers incredible value for the features and technology it packs. The base model provides a great entry point for those on a budget, while higher trims and the plug-in hybrid option cater to those seeking more performance and eco-friendliness. In terms of performance, the Clio shines with its nimble handling and responsive acceleration. It's a fun car to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road. While official top speed figures are yet to be released, the Clio's performance has undoubtedly been improved over its predecessor. The 2024 Renault Clio excels in fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance driving alike. The plug-in hybrid option, in particular, offers an impressive electric driving range, helping you reduce your environmental impact and fuel costs. In conclusion, the 2024 Renault Clio is a remarkable compact car that seamlessly blends style, technology, and performance. With a range of powertrain options, a modern and comfortable interior, and innovative technology features, it's sure to win the hearts of drivers seeking a practical yet stylish vehicle. Renault has truly raised the bar with this latest iteration of the Clio, making it a top contender in its class. Whether you're a longtime Renault enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, the 2024 Clio is a car worth considering for its overall excellence.